Hi, my name's Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Now in this video I'm going to go over everything that got released on EKM during November. So if you're an EKM customer, definitely stick around and watch the full video to make sure you keep up to date. Okay, so before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get notifications as soon as we post any new videos that could be of importance to you and your online business. First of all, we're starting with PayPal's Pay in 3. Now, PayPal have begun rolling out their new Pay in 3 service across the EKM shops from this week. So your customers can now choose to split up their payments into 3 monthly payments, making larger baskets easier to check out. Now, you should be able to see on your right now that the customers can also see exactly how much they will be paying back each month. This is a great way to reduce cart abandonments and entice customers to check out now rather than later. This is especially for customers who prefer to manage their finances on a monthly basis. Your PayPal payment gateway should automatically have this new update installed. Next on the list is the orders page speed update. So we have made platform performance updates to EKM that have made the load speed for your order section 27% faster. Now this helps you deal with your customers' orders quicker and more efficiently than ever before. This means that during the holiday season and January sales, you'll be able to get orders processed a lot quicker and provide great customer service when checking up the status of their order for them. Now the next update is an actual update to lay-by itself. So EKM shop owners can now add the lay-by payment gateway to their shops, allowing customers to split their payments into 6 easy weekly payments, completely interest-free and keeping it simple. You can find it within the settings section of your EKM shop under payment methods. Now the actual lay-by update has been updated with a price split example on your shop to show customers exactly how much their weekly payments will be for their baskets. And that's everything for the November platform update review. As always, we will have more features coming to the EKM platform this month, so make sure you're following us across our social media platforms so that you're the first to hear about them. You can view previous month's platform updates by visiting the link in the description or our profile bio. I've been Tom, thank you very much for watching.